Dirk partnered with Mazen Murad, a veteran mastering engineer at Metropolis Studios London, designed an analog hardware mastering system called the Modus Equalizer, consisting of two separate units. The BX1, called the Modus EQ, was a massive analog Class A stereo equalizer with a built-in MS matrix. It operated in four modes: conventional LR stereo, MS mastering, a 3-channel +1 mode for surround, and an MS recording mode for microphone techniques. The BX1 featured 5 fully parametric EQ bands, switchable shelving filters, high-pass and low-pass filters, and physical hardware inserts that let engineers patch other outboard gear directly into the MS matrix. The BX2, called the Image Shifter, was a companion unit handling spatial processing, stereo width control, the now famous monomaker, individual M and S panning, and de-essing capabilities. Together, these two analog boxes cost approximately £10,000 per seat. Brainworx designed the BX Digital plugin's graphical user interface as a direct one-to-one visual recreation of both hardware front panels bolted together. Dirk initially planned to release both the analog hardware and plugin simultaneously, but when he demonstrated the plugin at trade shows, the response was so overwhelming that the hardware plans were shelved. In 2006, Brainworx released the original BX Digital V1, the world's first commercially available mid-side equalizer plugin. For the first time, any engineer with a DAW could access the same MS processing power that had previously required £10,000 in custom analog hardware. As Dirk later said, "I never even dreamed about where this EQ design of mine would take me or Brainworx as a company." The plugin was so influential that the second version, BX Digital V2, was named Best Plugin of the Decade by Future Music magazine. The current BX Digital V3 builds on that legacy with expanded features, extended frequency range up to 40 kilohertz, proportional Q mode inspired by the API 550, upgraded dynamic EQ with variable speed and inverse mode, expanded bass and presence shifters with 3 tilt EQ tones, and the new gain scale parameter for global EQ intensity control.